Hi there! Today, we will show you how to migrate WooCommerce to Easy Digital Downloads license. Firstly, sync your WooCommerce store with Appsero. This means you need to let Appsero manage your WooCommerce licensing, as it will work like a mid-management specialist. In this video, we are assuming you have already connected Appsero with your WooCommerce store. Check the link in the description box below if you want to know how to connect Appsero with your WooCommerce store. To sync your license, go to your Appsero dashboard. Then go to Plugins and select your plugin. Now go to Tools and click on Sync Orders. This will auto-sync all the previous orders from your WooCommerce store. Next, on your WordPress site, be sure you have the Easy Digital Downloads plugin installed. After that, make sure you also deactivate your WooCommerce plugin. To migrate WooCommerce to Easy Digital Downloads, you have to create a new marketplace to sell using Easy Digital Downloads. So, click on Add New of Easy Digital Downloads to set a plugin name as well as other settings such as price and download limit. In the next step, you have to organize the settings of licensing. Go back to your plugin and click on Licensing under Settings. Set Easy Digital Downloads as your distribution method. And choose Appsero as your license generator before clicking on Update Licensing. After you're done, it is now time to update your integration settings. Because you have changed your licensing from WooCommerce to Easy Digital Downloads in the previous step, you now need to connect your website again. Now go to Integration of your plugin dashboard to select your site name of the drop-down list. Then, select your product name and click on Update Connection. You can now do a test buy to confirm a purchase or subscription with all the formalities. After the order confirmation, you will see a license generator for you to use. Now, if you go to the License tab from the Plugin Analytics sidebar, you will notice that the exact license has been already synced with Appsero. And that is how you can migrate WooCommerce to Easy Digital Downloads license. We also have a full tutorial on how you can do all of this, so if you have any confusion, you can refer to this blog. The link of this will be in the description box below. Check out Appsero for more information on analytics, licensing, and deployment of your WordPress plugins.